Be worth the ASAP, keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky. Say he fucking with my posse. Caught me Chloe like Kardashian. Keep this pussy in Versace.
What's up, y'all, and welcome back to our channel. What's good? What's popping? How you doing? What you eating? What you watching? What you listening to? All that there, like that right there. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. So today I'm doing an eyebrow tutorial because I always get like a lot of questions about how I do my eyebrows, what I use on my eyebrows, how I get my eyebrows looking so good. So I'm gonna finally do a video of me doing my eyebrows. Bro, my face is like so dry, like. So we gonna put some moisturizer on it. I've been using this for like 2 months. Like, I be using it. I thought it wasn't gonna work for my face, but it works for my face. Like, your girl be feeling rejuvenated, skin exfoliated. You feel me? Let's go ahead and get right into this video. I don't want this video to be too long and whatever. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so first I'm using e.l.f. pomade in the espresso. Then I'm using e.l.f. the eyebrow brush. See, first I'm gonna outline that part. To be honest, I really don't even think I should be talking with this part. So, yeah. I'ma just play some music.
Get up and dance. Level up.
Level up, 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 level up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me. Your tummy. Them more mistakes are gone. I won't do them no more. That's old news, that's new news. I done did that before. I turn nothing to something. My comeback on 100. Let's talk it, more action. You just gon' see coming. I just keep elevating. No losses, just upgrading. My lessons made blessed.
Y'all, my eyebrows, like before I put concealer on, it's gonna be looking real dusty. But that's just cause I don't know. It's gonna be looking dusty, but let's go ahead.
See me as a prayer, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all.
I'm finna use this old spoolie brush that I got out of an old mascara or something. I don't know.
Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy.
Now I'm finna be using this old Maybelline concealer in Cocoa, I think.
Level up, level up, level up, level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. They freeze get dropped like weight. Team love don't want no hate. I'm grinding, I'm shining, up, I'm on my way. Thank God I never settle. This view is so much better. I'm chilling, I'm winning, like on another level. Oh, you can talk all you want. See me as a prayer, nothing I'm afraid of, and I can have it all. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. All this sauce so level on another.
What the brows looking good, you know what I'm saying? Now we finna be using this pink brush to drag down this concealer. You know what I'm saying? What? Oh.
Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
Song switch. I'm gonna be using this hard candy spray and this little fish brush to do all that. Like that right there. Yep.
You got the right one. Let these big bitches know, nigga. Queens, Brooklyn.
Bitch, so it's not nice. Pussy got that wet, got that drip, got that super soak. I hit that shit.
Finna be using this e.l.f. blending brush to blend all this concealer so I won't be looking caked up. You know what I'm saying? Can't be looking like that out here in these streets.
I just can't whack that. Talk to her nice so she won't fight back. Turn around, hit it from the back. Bet her down, then I make it clap. I don't really want no fun.
Now I'm finna be using my niece's baking powder. You know what I'm saying? Get you some of that money, boy.
Got that kickback when I blow that. They all do track, they don't shoot back. One shot, close range, right down head tie. Yeah, I did that. Yeah, I lived that. Call a Uber with my shooter. With a Ruger, we gon' do your niggas say they killing people.
Now we finna go back in with my dog e.l.f. the blending brush, cause we gotta wipe all this little powder off. Can't be going around walking around with dots on our face acting like we're from Africa, but you know what else. That is how I use my eyebrows. In the sun, my eyebrows look weird. But yeah, that's how I do my eyebrows. And don't ask me who did my hair, because I did my hair and this is the wig. I ain't even gonna play. This is the wig. Yes, I put the wig down myself. I did. Well, check me out now. Check me out. That's it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so you won't miss whenever I post it. But yeah, that's it, guys.
See that you've been learning, and when you get to shopping, you spend it like you earned it. And when you popped off on your ex, he deserved it. I thought you would've won from the jump, that confirmed it.